Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating book that completely shifts the way we think about money. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or you've been managing money for years, this book offers unique insights into why we make the financial decisions we do and how our mindset can either help or hurt our financial success. In this video, we're going to break down the key takeaways from the book in 10 points. Each one packed with practical advice you can apply to your own life. We'll explore the emotional side of money, why compounding is so powerful, and why long-term thinking is the secret to financial freedom. So if you're ready to think differently about your money, hit that like button and let's dive right in. 1. Money is emotional. Not logical financial decisions are often driven by emotions and psychological factors rather than logical analysis. Housel emphasizes that many financial decisions aren't purely logical, but influenced by emotions, experiences, and biases. People tend to make financial choices based on past experiences or feelings, such as fear, greed, or insecurity. Consider someone who buys a car they can't afford to impress friends or colleagues. Despite knowing it's financially irresponsible, the decision is based on emotional desires to look successful, which often overrides logical financial planning. 2. Wealth is what you don't see. True wealth is invisible. It's not about how much you show off, but how much you save and invest. Housel argues that many people mistakenly associate wealth with spending on visible luxury items, but the real wealth often comes from what's hidden: savings, investments, and frugality. Wealth is built quietly over time, not through consumption. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people in the world, lives in a modest house in Omaha, Nebraska, and drives an old car. His wealth is the result of decades of smart investing and saving, not flashy spending. 3. The role of luck and risk. Financial success is often influenced by luck and risk, factors beyond our control. Housel stresses that many people's financial outcomes are due to a mix of luck and risk. We often attribute success to skill, while overlooking how luck or risk shape the outcome. Think about an entrepreneur who becomes wealthy by starting a business during an economic boom. While their hard work and innovation matter, the timing, luck, played a significant role. Conversely, someone who fails due to unforeseen circumstances, like a market crash, shows how risk affects outcomes. 4. Saving is more important than earning. Building wealth comes more from saving and living below your means than from having a high income. While earning a high income is important, it's the ability to save and invest that truly builds wealth. No matter how much money you make, if you spend it all, you won't accumulate wealth. Consider two people. One who earns $100,000 a year but spends $110,000, and another who earns $50,000 a year but saves $10,000 annually. The second person, despite a lower income, is likely to build more wealth over time because of consistent saving. 5. Financial independence is the ultimate goal. The goal of wealth is financial independence, the freedom to make choices without financial worry, not just to accumulate wealth. Housel suggests that financial independence, not wealth for wealth's sake, should be the ultimate goal. Having the ability to make life choices without being constrained by financial stress is what truly matters. Someone who chooses to take a year off from work to travel the world because they have saved and invested well is experiencing the benefits of financial independence. They have the freedom to make choices based on passion, not financial need. 6. Avoiding financial pitfalls. The key to financial success is often avoiding major mistakes rather than trying to achieve big wins. It's not about chasing high returns, but about avoiding catastrophic mistakes that can derail your financial health. Housel suggests focusing on risk management and avoiding losses rather than trying to hit home runs. An investor who sticks to a conservative portfolio of stocks and bonds and avoids high-risk investments is less likely to lose significant money during a market downturn. In contrast, someone who chases get-rich-quick schemes may lose everything during a financial crash. Number 7. The impact of compounding. Compounding is the most powerful force in finance. Small actions over time create exponential growth. Compounding means that the returns you earn on your investments generate returns of their own. Over time, this leads to exponential growth, often in ways people don't realize. If you invest $1,000 at an annual return of 7%, after 10 years, you'll have about $1,967. But after 30 years, you'll have about $7,612. The longer you allow your money to grow, the more you benefit from compounding. 8. Long-term thinking. Financial success is a result of long-term thinking and patience. Housel advocates for thinking long-term when making financial decisions. People often want quick results, but real wealth is built over decades, and patience is a key factor in achieving financial success. Someone who invests regularly in a retirement account, even during market downturns, will likely have a larger portfolio in retirement than someone who tries to time the market and takes big risks for short-term gains. Number 9. Personal finance is personal. Financial decisions should be made based on your personal goals and values, not by following others. Housel stresses that everyone's financial situation is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. So financial decisions should be tailored to your individual circumstances and goals. One person may prefer a minimalist lifestyle, saving most of their income to retire early, while another may prioritize enjoying life and spending on experiences. 10. The power of time and flexibility. Time is an invaluable asset in building wealth, and flexibility is necessary to adapt to changing circumstances. The more time you have, the more your wealth will grow due to compounding. Having flexibility means being able to adapt your financial strategies as circumstances change, whether due to personal life events or shifts in the economy. Someone who invests in low-cost index funds over 30 years can accumulate wealth despite market volatility. If they also remain flexible, able to adjust their spending and saving habits, they can navigate unexpected financial challenges and continue to grow their wealth. The psychology of money teaches that wealth building is as much about psychology and behavior as it is about numbers and strategies. By understanding the emotional, psychological, and behavioral aspects of money, individuals can make better financial decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and work toward long-term financial independence. Through compounding, patience, saving, and avoiding mistakes, anyone can accumulate wealth, even if they don't have a high income or advanced financial knowledge. And there you have it, the 10 key takeaways from the psychology of money. As we've seen, building wealth isn't just about numbers or fancy strategies. It's about understanding our behaviors, emotions, and the psychology behind money. Whether it's saving more, thinking long-term, or avoiding big mistakes, each of these principles can help you make smarter financial decisions and ultimately achieve the financial freedom we all desire. So, what's your biggest takeaway from the book? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more financial tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not just about how much you earn, but how you think about money that makes all the difference. See you in the next video.